These delightful cookies capture the very best of the season. They are easy bake and each bite delivers a wonderful blend of sweet, creamy and spiced flavor. They are quite simply an easy essential fall treat. Let's make it. Let's peel, cut and dice the pumpkin into small size pieces, then set them aside. Melt the butter in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the diced pumpkin, sugar and cinnamon powder. Add lemon juice, cover the pan and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the pumpkin is soft. Check if pumpkin is soft, then add cornstarch slurry and mix until it reaches the desired consistency, then keep it aside. In a separate bowl, add the butter, sugar, mix them together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Now add egg yolk and vanilla extract and mix well. Then add flour along with all the dry ingredients. It is optional. I measured the portion to make sure all the cookies look same size. In a small bowl, add brown sugar and cinnamon powder. Roll each portion of cookie dough in the mixture and place them on baking tray lined with parchment paper. With the help of any spoon, make a space into the center of each cookie ball and place a good amount of pumpkin mixture into this space. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 F for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are fully cooked. These cookies are very soft, so immediately out of the oven and allow them completely cool down before serving. Enjoy.